Well, if I talk a me, but Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know I was really a go on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Agênda Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, some have always speculated or asked the question why. Why we feel like the prosecution has had it out for Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers? Was it the music? Was it the influence? Where did it start? When them start, follow up the teacher. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me remind you, and for those who are not in the know, on September 29 in 2011, Vybz Kartel experienced his first round of major legal troubles when he was accosted for possession of the herb. And after that, after being accosted for possession of the herb, he was subsequently charged with the Barrington Butron situation, viewers and subscribers, as well as also illegal possession of a firearm and conspiracy. That is when it all started. Now, while sitting in prison awaiting trial for the murder of the Barrington Butron, an associate, Vybz Kartel wrote a book, The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, Incarcerated but Not Silenced, viewers and subscribers. And that book was not just an autobiography, it was also a look at society as a whole and what was taking place here during that time, and also what was taking place previously to Vybz Kartel writing this book. Now, eventually, Vybz Kartel was granted bail for the Barrington Butron situation, but he was not in the clear because he was also charged with the Clive Lizard Williams situation, viewers and subscribers. Now, Vybz Kartel was found not guilty of the murder of Barrington Butron on July 24, 2013. Mark the date. However, he would still have to stand trial for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Lizard. The one where they must say, yo, drop flesh. But people have also seen him other places. I don't know, reason for a different time. The trial began on November 18, 2013. Same speed, viewers and subscribers. If you notice, them decide say, you know what? We can't hold him. Pan that. Alright. We're gonna flip the script. We're not make him get me. We're gonna flip the script. We're gonna hold him for another associate. And people are wonder why we feel like the prosecution has clearly had it out for the teacher. Now, as I said when the vlog started, whether it be the music, the influence, the persona, or the platform that Vybz Kartel had created for himself, by God bless him, something sparked a deeper interest in Vybz Kartel and when that take place with in the music. Some people that say the artist persona are the levels of stardom that the artist had attained. People realize say, yo, the teacher is a intelligent individual, a free thinker, if you will. And when we say free thinker, meaning say nobody have no stronger grip on them brain. Them now follow what other people are say. Them are do them own thing. Individuals with this mindset has always posed problems for the powers that be over the centuries. That's how we always see it play out. Over the centuries, free thinkers, people are able to rally the troops, as they would say, are always posed some form of threat. Now, this is when it all started. Enough people are not even aware of the Barrington Butron situation. No, enough people don't even remember say that is where it all started. And they say it start. They say them start follow up Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer. And I say, you know, the individual is somebody who need to get him off the scene by any means necessary. And them realize one thing for sure. Them could paint a picture of him persona in the public eye. Them try everything for the teacher. One at a time, they must say the teacher bore tongue. They must say the teacher do this. They must say the teacher do that. Teacher ever say, bounty arm do. Long on my tongue and show you. What kind of move that? Them try everything under the sun. But try get dancehall or fans of the teacher to say, you know what, but now listen to more Vybz Kartel music. And when that was unable to work, them decide to, alright, we're going to take him off of the scene physically. Yeah, we're going to take him off of the scene physically. We're not going to make an attempt on him. No. That's going to make him a martyr. No. We're going to just put him behind the bars. We're going to just put him behind the bars. Because of the type of songs, we can always point to those songs and say, this is the type of individual who we are dealing with. And yes, the story fits. One thing for sure though, them never take into consideration the support for Vybz Kartel. And I think they underestimated the legal team. Big up, it's Nita Rabbits. Big up Tom them, Tavares them. Know what I mean? Yeah. Big up Sean Storm, lawyer to Mr. Campbell them. Big up all of the paralegals who work on the situation the same way, all in the office them, everybody. Them underestimate the legal team. And what them do is give you a type of verdict, dry it out, and then give you a rush verdict. So we just say, oh, but wait, we can't say them rush the verdict because the trial takes so long. So it almost like society I say, we need to get this deal with now. And then them sneak in and guilty verdict forward, and then society say, wait, guilty? That the verdict was forward back. It's almost like everybody did shock. It's almost like the judge deliver the verdict and him himself shocked at the verdict he deliver. Even though I think that was strategic. But everybody else did shock. And then feel like I said that stop this up. But the $200 million man will not be stopped. Appeal will go. And then they realize they win the appeal. They say, but wait. You know, we just prove to society say our courts had a blunder. And we need to correct this. How we gonna correct it? Without stepping on more toes. It's all about saving face at this point in time. It is clear. All about saving face. Because them realize that the verdict is clear. The people are waiting for the release of the teacher. Despite situations where take place worldwide, people are waiting for the release of the teacher. There's no doubt again. And like a child where I say, we don't know what going on. Or it's going to play out. It play out and realize that them use to get them win. Then them wrong. And there are also people who, when the trial it start initially, due to what they did hear, they did feel like, say, alright, I true the teacher deserved that then. And now that the appeal trial has taken place, they must say, no, I don't deserve the teacher, deserve that. I couldn't even shake up the court system, and that's what these individuals' mindset are at now. Because you ever think about this, one, it could happen to any individual. And then if this is how court proceedings are handled, then this is not right. This is not right, not at all, no. As a society, we have a whole heap of things to work on. It's like where the superstar reggae artist said, there's a lot of work to be done in the promised land. Oh gosh. A lot of work to be done in the promised land. Because this is the way court proceedings are handled. We see why the manager say, one, there's backlog at the court. And two, the manager say, oh, some people can go to the court and get away with anything. Because this is how proceedings are handled where outside influences are allowed to influence the ruling of proceedings that take place in a closed court, but they're not about open court. Even when they're in the judges' chambers, you have outside influences who sway the movement of war go on. That is not right. That is tampering in every sense of the word. That is tampering in court proceedings. And that, viewers and subscribers, is illegal. Yeah? That's not right. And it's something where you can legally do. So anybody found in contempt at that level can look out for have some court proceedings of their own, whether they be judges or prosecution. Nobody can escape. The law is the law. And that's so it there. And that is why now it have a strategic with how them give the ruling. Because they don't know what the movements and what the implications will be after a ruling like this is handed out. But I see the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, you're just a pass through. But you like the reasoning and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. And put it on all. And this is how You will now be able to know when fresh content is uploaded for you right here on the platform. The like icon, drop a like on the blog for me like what you hear. The share icon is also there as well. You can use this icon for tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and join the reasoning, join the discussion. Just be respectful and yes, be mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something, got quick recap before we leave. Why does the nation feel like the prosecution and the powers that be follow up the teacher? Where did it all start? With the Barrington Butron situation. Yes. Vybz the one called Jaden Chase, as I pointed out before. You know the settings, and for those who don't, move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until we reason again.